Welcome back to my channel. Selamat di tahun 2023. Kembali lagi di channel gua dari Pratama di tahun 2023. Pada video kali ini gue mau coba flashback kira-kira selama 2022 apa aja yang udah gue berikan ke teman-teman penonton setia gue dan juga teman-teman yang udah dukung gue untuk bisa terus mengupload video di tahun 2022 ini. Gimana videonya? Yuk kita tonton video flashback berikut ini.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4.
Dari suka sampai pun duka itu sudah terekam di tahun 2002 ini. Telah berpulangnya panutan gua, master teknik gua, dan juga salah satu keluarga gua yang paling gua sayangi, yaitu almarhum bokap. Mungkin nanti suatu saat gue akan membuat video yang dimana menceritakan tentang bagaimana sih terjadinya gue membentuk video otomotif ini. Sebelumnya kita lihat